Good morning. Well, we are here with Trish Cummings, one of the volunteers here at the Hospice Hardison shop in Wairika. You know, we are standing in an amazing baby section for anyone who is a brand new mom or even maybe for a baby shower.
Oh, people come in all the time looking for unique ideas for gifts, baby showers in particular, and we have a wonderful selection, everything from adorable booties, burp rags, to little headbands for the little girls.
And this is really creative. This is handmade, is that right?
Yes, it's for nursing moms. It's a cover-up, and those are very popular. We sell those. There are any number of things. We have lovely handmade sweaters for children.
So cute.
Very clever and different idea. A tooth fairy pillow.
How cute. And there's like a little pocket in here.
Yes, it's made from recycled handkerchiefs and old linens.
Perfect. So talk to us a little bit about the shop, what the intentions are behind this. People can shop for a cause.
Well, yes, it's all to support, of course, our local hospice house. And in town here, we don't really have many gift stores, so it provides a service for many members of the community just to find unique ideas for a gift for someone, or in this case, for a baby shower.
Now, I know we were talking a little bit off camera about the families who have family members in the hospice center, how they really like this shop.
Many people who have had loved ones in the center feel a real gratitude and want to come and support us. They will often donate things to us so that they can give back for what has been given to them.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I truly appreciate it. Coming up, we are going to show you some more unique things in this shop. We'll be right back.